dancing popcorn. For this experiment, you will need some water, a clear glass or jar, a spoon, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, and 1 cup of vinegar. First, what you want to do is take your water and fill your glass about 3/4 of the way full. Now what you want to do is take your 2 tablespoons of baking soda and stir it into the water to make sure it's all dissolved. Now that it's all dissolved, you want to take your popcorn kernels and pour them in also. Look, all the popcorn kernels are at the bottom. Now what you want to do is take your vinegar and slowly add it to your solution and see what happens. Here we go. Notice the popcorn kernels? They're floating to the top now. And now some are even coming down. Why do you think this happens?
First, let's review some words. Chemical reaction, the process where substances chemically change to form a different substance. Acid, a substance that can transfer a hydrogen ion in a solution. It has a pH less than 7. Base, a substance that can accept a hydrogen ion from another substance. It has a pH greater than 7. What makes the popcorn dance? Well, when the baking soda, a base, and vinegar and acid combine, a chemical reaction occurs and carbon dioxide gas is produced. This reaction happens underwater, so the carbon dioxide gas is trapped in bubbles. These bubbles collect on the popcorn kernels, lifting the kernels up to the surface. When the kernels reach the top of the surface, the bubbles start popping, releasing the carbon dioxide. As the bubbles pop and there's no longer enough gas to keep the kernel floating, it begins to sink. As the kernel sinks, bubbles begin collecting on the kernel, causing it to rise again. The popcorn kernels will continue to dance until all the carbon dioxide has been released from the reaction. Did you know the baking soda and vinegar reaction is actually 2 separate reactions? The first reaction is the acid-base neutralization reaction. When the sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, and acetic acid, vinegar, first mix together, the hydrogen ions in the acetic acid react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the sodium bicarbonate. This reaction produces 2 new chemicals, sodium acetate and carbonic acid. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction. The carbonic acid, which was produced by the first reaction, immediately begins to decompose into water and carbon dioxide gas. Take it to the next level. Instead of using baking soda and vinegar, try using Alka-Seltzer and water, baking soda and lemon juice, or Alka-Seltzer and oil. Does it make a difference in the way the popcorn dances? Thanks for watching!